The entire tutorial is based on Maya 2.22 and Golem 9.1, but everything should also apply to newer version of Maya. You can use the try. If you use the try, you have 30 days fruit and services into your, you see here, your download is made. We need to have other, maybe there are a lot of difference between 5.3 and 5.4 on the Unreal part, so go. Now we can start creating our first crowd. For those questions for casual man, what's the starter? The tool position it between the two character haven't been. You can add a noise distance.